My name is Uthara Ramakrishnan. I am based in Kerala. I live in Kozhikode or Calicut. So we have been in this financial services and I would say more like the stockbroking business for the last 24 years. So since 2006, so last 15 years, we've been associated with Motilal Oswal Financial Services. And since then, we have been ranked among their top 25 franchisees for all these years. I would say that is one achievement which I feel is significant because they have more than 3,000 franchises across India. We have managed to remain within that top 25. Yeah. So we are one of the yes, thank you. So we are one of the top 3 in South India. And we have a few thousands of clients, and I believe I will say 2 things which I feel are valuable in where we have reached. One thing is our team. We have managed to continue with a very good young and experienced team, and a lot of my major managers are all they've been with me for 15-20 years. So we have a very good team with us. Secondly, I think we have been reasonably successful in holding the trust of our clients, because finally we are dealing with hard-earned money, which is their life savings. So I think we have many customers, hundreds of customers who have been with us for the last more than 20 years. So that has been that's helped us through our good times and bad times. The trust that the clients have had in us. So generally, it's been a good journey, and particularly last 2 years, I think. So even since demonetization, our business has been steadily growing. I should say, last 1 year, our business has grown more than 50-60%. So I'm very happy with the way the business is growing now. Actually, when I joined the CFP certification, or the decision to join CFP certification was to update myself. But to be very frank, I did not realize that it will put me in such a better position after this coaching. To be very frank, I only one of my friends in Motilal Oswal, he suggested that he told me about CFP certification. He told me about you, and I had read that the SEBI guidelines are coming out, and once gradually these sort of certifications will become necessary in this field. So I was thinking about it as if something for the future. Maybe this certification will help me. That is all I thought. I never imagined that it will change the entire thought process of my work. I never imagined that it's going to change the entire thing that I'm doing. Initially, that was the only thought. I just thought, there is some specialized certification here. Okay, let me do it and update myself or get myself qualified, because I'm a basic commerce graduate. I don't have a professional qualification at all. So let me try to get qualified is all the thought that I had initially. Yes.